Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you a order from New Craft Day. This is a collaboration with New Craft Day. They reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in trying out some of their products, and I thought, of course, my daughter loves diamond painting, and to be honest with you, I have a lot of fun with it as well. So I'm going to show you the things that I picked from their site because they had some pretty amazing choices, and I'm very excited to both work with this and share these with my 10-year-old because she adored this. Oh my God, I forgot which ones I ordered. They had so many cute ones on their website. And I'm in love with gnomes right now, and these gnome bumblebee sunflowers are so cute. These are going to be such fun things to make. So what these are is actually dangles. I just recently got a new bay window in our kitchen that I love, and these dangles are meant to hang in a window. I think these are going to look amazing. So you put them together with these really beautiful sparkly crystals, and these are all the drills that you get. So there's all the packages here. You can open up and see what the colors are. This should be very sort of gold, yellow, black, white sort of themed, and a little bit of green. So that is how many different colored drills you get. So that's project number one, and they've given me another one of these, which is fantastic. I do have a couple from previous projects, and I'm always happy to get more. So there's two more things here. Now this is interesting. This appealed to me because I just couldn't even fathom how you could diamond paint a set of stuffed animal keychains, but oh wow, this is not what I was expecting them to look like, in the way that I was expecting them to kind of already be the color that was on the box. So I see how it is now. It's white underneath, and then you put the drills on in the colors that they have. So that is interesting, and there seem to be different size drills on this one. You can see that's interesting. There's like small and medium. I don't know if there's any large ones. So that's very interesting. This will be an experiment to see how this works. Oh, and they're not material. I thought they were like a stuffed animal kind of material. It's a hard plastic material. Well, that's really interesting. And all of the parts move really easily, which will make it easy to get in and sort of put all the drills on. So if I had to guess, I would say that because it came with one of these kits that you put this on initially to put all the drills in place, and then maybe you go over top after with a sealant. Multi-purpose adhesive. Oh no, actually you've got to put this on the bear. Use this to pick up the drills and then place them on. So that'll be interesting to see how well that works and how it turns out in the end. That's exciting. And it came with another little set, so you get one of these every time, and there's one in here as well. So that's a wonderful benefit, because that way if you wanted to make like a fun activity with your friends or family or kids, you could have multiple people doing them at the same time. So this is a wolf bookmark, and I chose this specifically for my daughter who loves wolves. We actually just went to the International Wolf Sanctuary to see some of the wolves that have been sort of rescued. So what they do is they take on wolves who are born in captivity, where they can't be released into the wild, and they give them a home, and they use it as an education center to let people know about the issues with wolves, how to care for them, how to protect them from going extinct. There are some on the endangered species list. So this is the set of drills that will go with this wolf bookmark, and it has some really special sequins there for the eyes. Number 7, you can see those right there. So that's really interesting. So my daughter's going to have a lot of fun with that, and this will be a fun project for us to do together. Oh, there is another one, number 8. Well, where are those on here? Where are number 8 on? Oh, there's the 8s right there. That's where. So all around the eyes. So that's really pretty. So that's fun. So I think very much new craft day for reaching out to collaborate with me. I am going to have a lot of fun working with these projects. This one for my daughter, this one for me. I actually even thought of this, like I would love to give this created as a gift to someone whose birthday is in the fall that I'm thinking of specifically. And this is just kind of a fun little experiment, and cute to see how those are going to turn out. And then they would be fun to sort of create a dangle off of the end of one of my scrapbooks, perhaps. And if you want to know what I'm talking about something like this, where I always create dangles. So like this size here would, it's like a pretty small little notebook, but the dangles that I usually put off them are pretty large. So it might be something like that, but I'm sure we'll find a good use for them. They'd always make a cute little gift for a child that I could put on a gift basket as a decoration, or hanging off a gift bag, and then something that they could reuse on their backpack or something. So that's the idea there. So thank you so much for watching. I will leave links down below, as well as a discount code if you're interested in anything from New Craft Day. They got here really quickly. Like this, I'm in Canada, and this only took, it was less than 2 weeks for this to arrive. So that's pretty good. And this is a tassel that goes on the bookmark. There was a little spot for it at the top. There's a little hole, and this is the little tassel for that bookmark. So that's really quite cute as well. Yeah, they had a lot of fun projects and unique ideas on their website. It was hard to pick from all of their selections. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.